our table style all set up, we are going to go ahead and resize the table columns to fit the actual contents. Because if you notice, we've got a lot of empty space in our table, and it just doesn't look quite as polished as we want it to look. So what we're going to do is we're going to come up here and under the table layout tab. If this doesn't show, that means your insertion point is not within the table. So go ahead and click on the table, then click on Table Layout tab. We're going to actually go under Cell Size, which is right here in this area. Then we're going to go to the Auto Fit. Click on Auto Fit button, and what we want to go ahead and do is click Auto Fit to Contents, because we want our table to fit to what we've typed in. And if you notice that it automatically does that, so you don't have to go in and double click on every single column or row to get that to work. Now we want to go ahead and align the data in the cells. So what we're going to do is click the cells in the second, third, fourth, and fifth columns. So that's basically everything here. So we're going to click and drag dimensions, word count, photo count, all the way down to the bottom. Then we want to go ahead and align that to the top center. So if you come over here under Alignment, click on Align, and we want to go to Top Center. And you'll notice that it centers everything and makes it all nice and pretty. Next, we want to center the whole table. So how we do that is if you come over here out in your margin, you'll notice that a little box pops up and then your mouse icon kind of turns to like the 4 arrows. If you click on that, it'll highlight the entire table. And then we want to come back up here to the Home tab, and we want to go ahead and click the Center button under the paragraph area, and notice that it moves our entire table to the center. Next, we want to insert a row into the table. And how we're going to do that is we're going to position the mouse pointer somewhere in that first row. And remember, rows go across, so it can be anywhere in this first row. And columns are up and down. And so then what we're going to do is come back up here to the Table Layout tab, which is the purple tab. We're going to go under Rows and Columns, so over here. And what we want to do is click the Above button to insert, because we want this row to be above. Okay? Well, I think I just did that wrong. Let's see. Click the Above button. There we go. I accidentally hit below. So we want the row to be inserted above that column. And notice that it's all brown, the dark brown, and it moves all the stuff down here.